Hey, welcome back. In this video we are talking about how to add tables in Canva. So the process is very simple. I will tell you two processes in this video. So let's start. First, click on elements. Now write charts in search bar. Simply click on charts. Now from here you can select any kind of chart and customize it. This is for pro account. This is not available for free account. Okay. From here you can customize your chart. Now if you are using a free account and don't have access to pro account, then the next method is for you. Simply delete it. Now from here find shapes. Click on the shapes and select any shape you want. Now customize it and change its color according to your preference. Now I am customizing it. Now just copy and paste. Now adjust it. Again copy and paste. Adjust it. Again copy and paste. Perfect. Now copy all the tables and just paste. Adjust it. Now if you want to change its color, you can simply change the color as well. Perfect. Now copy the table. Again paste it. Adjust it. And there you go. How you can create tables for freely in Canva. This is a method how you can add tables in Canva for free. Now you can add text and other things in table as well. So that was a video. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.